In this video, I will be demonstrating NEPI software automation solutions using a NEPI-supported stereo camera and pan and tilt system, both connected to an NVIDIA Jetson processor from Seed Studio with Numurus NEPI Engine software installed. I have my PC connected to the NEPI device through an Ethernet cable and a web browser open to the NEPI device's user interface. First, we can test the camera connection using the NEPI Sensors Imaging tab. The NEPI IDX driver system will auto-detect the stereo camera, so I can just select the camera from the drop-down box and connect to any of the camera's supported IDX image streams. Next, I can test the pan and tilt connection using the NEPI Controls Pan Tilt tab. With everything working, we can jump into our automation demonstration. With everything connected, I'll start several automation scripts that include an image contours process, an AI detection process, and a pan tilt tracker process from the NEPI RUI Automation Application tab. Once running, I can switch to the NEPI RUI Image Viewer Application tab and monitor our new image streams simultaneously. Hopefully that gave you an idea of how easy it is to create AI-based automation solutions with Seed Studio NVIDIA Jetson products using Numurus NEPI AI and automation software. To learn more about the NEPI software solution, visit nepi.com.